Today we're unboxing a shipment of, we don't know, samples, we're hoping.
Surprise samples. Ooh, we got something
Mohawk.
for our Solitech rack. Oh, a little dusty. Ooh, that's pretty.
Oh, that looks nice.
Look at the rolled edge on there.
That is very pretty.
I think these are all these for shawls. Yep.
Ooh, nice blonde.
These are gonna need a little wipe down. They're a little dirty, but that's really nice.
So the warehouses these come from are not pristine. They're often kind of dusty and dingy when we get them.
Ah, there's another one. Eastbrook Shoals again.
Diamond in the rough.
Ooh.
Oh, that's
a little warmer.
nice.
Yeah, yeah. Love that.
Candace. I like when they give them human names.
Ooh, Hampton.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. One more. Another light one.
Oh, I like that.
That's pretty.
It's a little ashier.
Yeah, I love that. Ooh.
Is this called Milton?
Milton.
I like the human names. Okay, let's do second box.
Oh.
All right. That's number 2.
Heckwood. Oh, are these the samples for your grandma?
Oh,
They are. I think so.
oh my goodness. Well, they can come back.
They are.
My grandmother was just here to look at samples. We ordered ones for her and didn't unbox them yet.
All right. That's
Okay.
pretty.
Let's see what Grandma's getting today.
Oh, that other box is probably more of it then.
Oh,
Malted hickory.
gorgeous.
Ah.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Hey, that's cool. Ooh.
Oh, beautiful and warm. I
Cinnabar
like
hickory.
that. Cinnabar. Oh. Here they are.
She did not answer.